Hello, everybody. Yeah, we're back in the virtual reality Chainmail studio. Hopefully, you don't get dizzy. All right, we have already. The hell is the thing? I don't even remember. What did we put in this room? Oh, the thing. Okay, yeah, let's. We're gonna forget about the thing. Uh, Although we did make some progress on the work. All right, we've had a request for a tutorial on Rondo chainmail pattern. Uh, I've already done Rondo, but since it was requested, we're gonna do a refresher. Rondo refresher. If there's another weave you want, just let me know. And let's go into the room. Some of those of you going, hey, what's Rondo? It's that. That's Rondo. Yeah. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Unlock some of this. Yeah, let's just unlock everything. Unlock all. Okay, it is unlocked. Okay, I need that ring. And we need one of those rings. Alright, so we are currently working on a little bit of Rondo. So we're going to go ahead and use the same colors, just so we can get an idea of what it's going to look like when I finish it. You know. Eat. Hopefully they haven't updated my controls again. I keep updating my controls on this app, and it just keeps pissing me off. I need a red one. It's a little light, but that's okay. I'm gonna need. Gotta remember here. I need an orange one. We need yellow. 4 colors. We need blue. We need purple. We need green. And we need black. Yeah, that's right. Is it green? Yeah, that's right. Dun, 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 dun. We need black. All right, so to start off doing some Rondo, you are going to need to learn how to do Helm's Weave. There is a Helm's Weave tutorial. It's right over there. Dun, 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 but we're going to do some more. So you're going to need 2 different size rings. You're going to have to play with it until you get your ring size correctly. To start this sucker off, you're going to need 2. 2 red. Hey, look, achievement unlocked. All right, now we got our 2 big rings. We're going to grab our little orange ring, and we're going to go 1 and 2. We put that on there. All right, anybody can do that. That's simple. That is simple. Space these out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. You're going to grab yourself another red, and you're going to open it up, and you're going to take that red, and you're going to go through the middle and around so that it is like that. Nothing to it. Once you got that, you're going to take another ring. You're going to go like that. And you're going to take another ring. And you're going to go like that. There we go. And that is Helm's Weave. Nothing to it. It's a very simple pattern, at least for me, but Did I just... I was supposed to be selecting those, not painting those. Again, they changed my controls. I blame them. And let's go ahead and just move that there. And make a duplicate over here. And then let's go vertical. You know what? That is way too big. Yeet. Okay, let's just. Excuse my coughing. It's not COVID, I promise. At least I think it's not COVID. Still need to find a good app that's got physics in it so I could actually do this better. But we're going to make do with what we got. Okay, we got a little Helmsweave asset there, so let's duplicate it. Okay, we're going to connect there. For argument's sake, just imagine I continued the chain. Yoink. Good enough. And around that one. Not good. Alright, that'll work. Yoink. We're gonna have to space this whole thing out a little bit better anyway, but for now, that's fine. Alright. So you got 2 strands of Helmsweave. Now what do? Well, you gotta connect it. You gotta connect it. We need the orange. Okay, we're gonna ignore the middle section here that's got these 2 rings. Oh, man. I didn't shrink those rings. No big deal. Wouldn't be a live show without some problems. Well, wouldn't be a VR tutorial. We don't edit, man. We don't edit. We let y'all see everything. All right, anyway. What? I'm not trying to text you. That is not yellow. There we go. All right, so you're going to take yourself a ring. It's going to be very easy. You attach it to both of those. Nothing holding it on there. It's a pretty easy connection. Take another one and go with those 2. Again, you're skipping the entrapped ring there. Once you've got that. Oh, and this is the wrong color now, too. And purple. There we go. That's better. Green. Okay, same thing on the other side, but with the green. I'm going to go all the way up, if that makes sense. So, second one through the same ring. 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2. And 1 and 2 and 1. Yeet. Oh, lordy. All right, so this is where our black one's going to come into play. There we go. Going to take your black one. It's going to be your middle connector. Your middle connector. So you're going to hook it through there. Just the first row. Don't do any of those yet. You're doing this one at a time, because otherwise you're going to get stuck and you're not going to be able to work it. So you need to take this ring and go through there so that it's coming out like that. But you're also going to grab those 2. So we need to grab those 2. Oops. I see it will behave and let me grab both of these. It's a bit hit or miss. Especially since they changed my settings. There we go. I'll probably have to do more adjustments, obviously, but good enough. So once you got that black one there, that's connecting all 4 of those inner rings, which it should connect easily. You're going to go back. Really? Yeah, that's right. You can't do it on this one, but you can do it on this one. And you're going to add in one on that side facing that direction. It should naturally take that direction, but you may have to do some adjustments, you know. Spin around here. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oops, I did not mean to grab this whole thing. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Ba-dum ba-dum ba-dum. Dun 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 dun. All right, so that's the hard part. Unfortunately, it's not. It's not really the hard part. This is the hard part. So once you've got this lovely thing, you're going to grab your little back ring there, and you're going to get another one, and you're going to connect it through those 4. And you're going to need to do it with 2 rings. I mean, you don't have to do it with 2 rings, but I'm doing it with 2 rings. But I like making things complicated and convoluted, so, you know, that's my prerogative. That's the beauty of having your own channel. You can just do things however you want, even if it's not the, quote, right way. Because who likes doing anything the right way? I don't. I never do. We do things the most complicated possible way we can think of. Try to line that up properly. There we go. All right. So once you got those 2 going through those 4, you're going to grab yourself another black ring, and you're going to do the exact same thing over again through those. And no, we will do things in order. We will do things in order. And 1 and 2, a little bit of overlap there, but again, I don't have a nice app that does physics, so it can't be helped. Yeah, that's a little lopsided. Now, physics should, you know, put all this in the proper order for you. But you get the idea. What the hell is going on here? There. How hard is that? And you just keep going, and 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 keep going. And that's it. That's it. There's nothing to it. That's very simple. It's not. It's really not. Which, man, that is really crooked. Oh, Lordy. But I don't care. I don't care. It's the beauty of VR, you know. You can just walk within your chainmail. I only wish I could get these rings to behave like real chainmail within the app, but they don't. They collide with one another. Now, there is another app out there that I saw that will allow me to make the rings. Only problem with that app, whose name I'm drawing a blank on right this minute, is when you take 2 of them, like these, you see how it's got the little cubes around it? So that's how the shapes are. But the whole cube is the shape. So while you have 2 rings, if you try to put them together, they immediately fall through one another. They won't actually, like, connect off the inner ring like that, which is unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. It's a jelly cube. And 1 random pink ring. What are you doing here? My real life 8x8x8 jelly cube is progressing. That's only a, 4x4? It's only a 4x4. So you would think a 4x4x4 would be half the size of an 8x8x8. But it's not. Because you'd have to put one here, and then 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 here. Yeah. But I'm getting there. I'm about halfway on the 8x8x8. So right now it's a 8x8x4. 8x8x4. But if you want to watch that real-life version of this with an American flag pattern, feel free to subscribe to my TikTok while you're here. We will be working on that to hopefully finish by July 4th. That is the goal. And also, I should mention, we've got merch coming. Merch! Just t-shirts, mugs, the usual jazz with our 3 logos. And I just realized I don't have my other logos in my VR studio. We'll work on that. I'm out!